Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about another sensor that you can use for measuring temperature. So in my previous tutorials I've already talked about temperature measurement using this DHT11 or the DHT22 temperature sensor. I also talked about the LM35 temperature sensor. However, is that these sensors have one challenge, and that is they cannot be able to measure temperatures in places like maybe underground, or if you want to take temperature of a liquid, you cannot use these temperature sensors. So you need another type of sensor, which is this is what they call the DS18B20 sensor. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Actually, this sensor comes in two forms. It also has a simple form like this, which is transistor-like. However, I'm not going to be talking about that because I want to talk about this waterproof sensor, which can be used to measure temperature of substances, maybe which are underground, or if you want to measure some temperature from a far away distance, because as you can see, the sensor probe is attached to long wire, and one of the advantages of this sensor is that it uses the one wire bus protocol. Therefore, it can easily be attached to any digital pin of a microcontroller. For example, in this case, I'm going to be using the Arduino. So this sensor comes on a 3 pins, as you can see from here. It has a black wire which represents the ground. The yellow one represents the signal, and that signal wire is going to be connected to any digital pin of Arduino board. And then we have the red wire, which is going to be connected to the VCC, as I'm going to be showing you. Let me now see how to connect this temperature sensor using our Arduino. So the connection is rather simple and straightforward. As you can see, this red wire is going to be connected to the VCC. The yellow one is the signal wire. So it's going to be connected to Arduino, an Arduino digital pin here. In this case, I'm using Arduino pin 2. And don't forget to use an external 4.7 kilo ohm plug resistor. The internal plug resistors of Arduino don't work in this case. Then this other last pin is the ground pin. We got the ground. I'm also going to include a simple I2C LCD display so that I can be able to see the temperature of the substance I'm measuring on the LCD display. So let me now test this sensor using some water here. So what I'm going to do is I'll place the sensor inside the water, and then I will turn on my Arduino, and you can be able to see the temperature of the water on the LCD. So as you can see, it's now 16.18. Let me try to mix the water a bit and make it so it's now temperature is going up a bit. So that's how you measure the temperature using this DS18B20 waterproof temperature sensor. One of the major advantages of the DS18B20 temperature sensor is that you can use multiple of these sensors on the same one wire bus, and this is possible because each of these sensors has a unique 64-bit serial code. So the connection is very simple. What you do is you put the sensors in a parallel connection whereby all the sensors will have a common ground, a common VCC, and they only use one digital pin of the Arduino. Therefore, you can be able to measure temperatures of different places or different items, but using only one digital pin of the Arduino board. That is a very big advantage of this sensor. So for example, in this case, I'm going to be using two of these sensors, this one and that one, and I'll be demonstrating how to do that to measure temperature of two different liquids. Then the connections are simple. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can be able to look at the schematic. So before using these sensors, we need to first find the unique address of each sensor so that when you are reading the temperature, you can be able to reference the address for each sensor and get the temperature from that address. Also, the link will be in the description, where I'll be able to give you the code that can be used to find the address of each of the sensors. Okay, let me now give you a simple demonstration of how we can use more than one of these temperature sensors to measure the temperature of liquids in different containers. For example, here, let me use one cup here containing some warm water, and another one here having some hot water. So what I'm going to do is I'll place the sensors inside each of these containers, and I'll be able to see the corresponding temperature on the LCD screen here. So let me place my sensors, because there are two sensors inside the liquid. Then I'm going to turn on my Arduino board. Okay, so from the board you can see, since I've just placed the temperature is now showing. So this other one, the 40, now 50, you see it's increasing because I've just placed the sensor inside the liquid. And as you can see here, this is the first cup here containing the hot water, which is representing sensor number 1. This other one is representing sensor number 2. And you see the difference in temperature. So from here you can be able to do some modification depending on what you want the sensors to do and how you want to treat the output of the various sensors. For example, you can add a simple alarm system so that you can be able to monitor the temperature in the various containers. Hope you've enjoyed my tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my other videos.